10 game changers for performance teachers. Are you a teacher? Do you teach performance skills? Do you run workshops? Discover 10 game changers to transform your teaching. Learn to adapt the same exercise to different groups. Connect through multiple intelligences. Discover how people actually learn. Create rich learning environments and experiences. Train and focus attention. Harness the power of positive feedback. Optimise playful learning. Teach different skill levels simultaneously. Turbocharge creativity. Make students want to learn. Discover these 10 game changers and much more explained in simple, accessible ways in the Teach Performance Programme. The Teach Performance Programme. Online professional development for those who change lives by teaching performance. 40 training videos which will transform your work. If you purchase now, you'll receive a 20% discount because Teach Performance is celebrating its launch month. 20% discount in December only. If you join today, you'll also receive 3 months free membership of the Firemakers community, an online space for artist teachers. In the Firemakers community, you get new teacher training videos each month, interviews with international artist teachers, archives of recorded seminars, twice monthly live online conversations, membership of the private Firemakers Facebook group, free for 3 months if you purchase the Teach Performance Programme today. My name's John Britton. For over 30 years I've taught from China to Colombia, from Sydney to Seattle, from Singapore to Stockholm. I've taught in primary schools and boardrooms, in community classes and conservatoires. I've taught actors, dancers, improvisers, acrobats, circus performers, groups, individuals, professionals, amateurs, young people, old people. I've been an academic, I've run a master's degree, I've published books, I've taught in remote mountain valleys and on wild ocean beaches. I've taught in Bollywood and in Hollywood, from drafty school halls to state-of-the-art rehearsal rooms. I've taught a lot of people. I've also taught a lot of teachers who've taught a lot more people. Now I want to share with you what I've learned about how to teach performance. Why? Simple. Performance matters. If you want more information, send me a message or visit the website. There you can find out more or set up a discovery call with me. Let's light fires in the souls of those we teach. Art matters. The Teach Performance Programme. Buy today for a 20% discount and free membership of the Firemakers community. www.teachperformance.com